Hey guys, it's Shannon. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this Nutree Professional Amazon-less Brazilian Keratin hair straightening slash smoothing treatment. So, the brand was nice enough to send me this product to do a review on. And first I'm going to show you what it comes with. It comes with a set of gloves, which is really handy. It comes with it's a 3-step system. The first step is a shampoo, anti-residue shampoo. It has the smoothing treatment, and it has an intensive repair mask. So I want to start by saying this, and I feel super duper bad about it, like really bad. Whenever I was trying this out, I took pictures along the way because we tried it on my mannequin at school. It was one of my instructors and I took pictures along the way like I did before. Like I did one like after each step, so like after the shampoo, what the hair looked like, after the like smoothing, after the mask, and then once it was dry afterwards. And I was like really excited to have these pictures and post them and share them with you guys to show how amazing the results were. And my camera decided, like my SD card has been acting up all week, but I didn't think I would lose anything from the way it was acting up. It was just kind of like, it was saying it wasn't inserted, and then I would have to restart my phone, which is what it was in, and then it would be fine after. But it like kept messing up, and apparently somewhere along the lines with this happening, the pictures are gone. Like I had like 3 videos that I had pre-filmed. That's why there wasn't a video Saturday. I just had to refilm one of my videos to post. So it's going up Tuesday. It was supposed to go up Thursday. And yeah, so I lost probably about an hour of footage, and like probably 50 pictures, and they're all like my most recent things, so I don't know what's up with that, but I don't have the results to show you, and I didn't realize this till today, and I don't go back to school till Thursday, and this is being posted on Sunday, by the way. So, and this has to be up, like I have a deadline, so I apologize. It wasn't really my fault, but at the same time I feel like it was. So I'm really sorry about that. I will try to get pictures later once I go back and post them on my blog, and then leave a little cue if I remember and share with you guys. But anyways, let's start. So pretty much it's $50 on Amazon, and I feel like for an at-home smoothing treatment, or if you want to do it, like if you're a salon owner or a cosmetologist, whatever, I feel like this is a really good deal. At school, for like learning people, when they do it, we charge like $80 for a smoothing treatment or a keratin treatment. So for $50 for the full 3-piece set is a really good deal. We had really nice results. I will say you really do need the mask with it, because it can, as you are putting the, which one is it? As you are putting the smoothing treatment on, you're supposed to like straighten it into the hair to make it straight, obviously. Hi, Angel. And as you have to straighten the hair like 8 to 10 times per piece. So that's a lot of heat on your hair that can cause a lot of damage. So your hair can feel really dry after. But the intensive mask, like we just did it on like a part of my mannequin, we didn't do it on the full thing. And I tried the mask myself on my own hair, which is really dry and brittle, from where I've colored it so much and everything. And the mask is amazing on its own. Like, it really does really hydrate your hair and like revive it and bring it back to life. And it did make the hair feel really, really soft after the smoothing treatment. So, loved that. I did have a little problem with the scent. It is a very strong scent. If you can't deal with like really, it's not like a bad scent. I can describe it as like a child's like cough syrup. Hey, Angel, Snoopy, be good. That's the best way I can describe the scent of the smoothing treatment. They each smell differently. But that one's the worst smelling in my opinion. But if you can get past the smell, it's a really, really nice product. And I think it's totally worth the price. I really enjoyed trying it. And my instructor was actually really wowed by it. And she said she's going to look into purchasing a couple to have at the school. Stop. Be good. And yeah, I've looked at other people's like pictures on Amazon, and some of the pictures are like amazing. Like, oh, sorry. This is supposed to keep your hair like really straight for up to 4 months, I think is what it said. Yeah. It says creates smooth and silky hair for up to 4 months. The mask, like I said, makes your hair feel so silky smooth and so soft. It is a bit of work to apply. Like I said, I would suggest like being in a ventilated area for sure, because of the scent. What else? I would suggest having help. I wouldn't suggest doing this yourself. Like, if you have a friend or something that can help. The instructions are so easy to follow, but it's really hard, especially like on the back of your hair, to like follow, like do it the way you're supposed to. It can get really like hard to do. So I would suggest having a friend help you with that. What else? I think that's really all I have to say. Like I said, I really enjoy it. I think it's a really nice product. I think it's a really good price for it. And it does an amazing job. I feel really bad that I lost the pictures though. Yeah. I just wish I could have showed you those. But I'll try to post them on my Instagram or my blog or something and share them with you at a later date. And yeah, the link for this product will be down in the description box below if you want to check it out. I'm not being paid at all for this, if you are wondering. They were just nice enough to send me the product to try out. And I am very appreciative of that, and I thank you very much for doing that. And yeah, so I think that's it for today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.